Here's what other people think of Saysomethingin.com on Trustpilot. We've got a 4.8 ranking with 37 reviews, and those 37 reviews are all 5-star, which is wonderful. So let's look at some of them. The only way to learn Welsh. I love this one. You learn to speak the way people actually speak every day. Yeah, that's great. How about, what's after that? Jenny Dale, SSiW's amazing. Oh, thank you. Doesn't bog you down with incomprehensible grammar. That's definitely a good thing. Bill Evans, a natural way to learn the language. I feel so very happy to be learning Welsh in this way. That's wonderful. Beth Doctrell, don't think twice. Get this app, worth every penny. Thank you for that. We didn't pay her. E-Price, life-changing. What a life-changing and affirming experience. That's a wonderful thing to hear. And you can see loads more of these. If you pop over to Trustpilot, you can see they just keep on coming and coming.